Oh.
Good morning, everybody. Jilly's going to do one last pour. We're on Saturday morning here in Australia, and her flight out back to the UK is this evening. So we're dropping her down in Brisbane around 4 o'clock, and she's opted to do one last pour because she still had some colours left. So she's going to do another pour for us. I think what have you decided to do, Jilly?
I'm going to do a Dutch pour.
So she's going to do a Dutch pour, but she's really a Brummie pour because she's a Brummie.
Yes.
Nothing Dutch in her. And that's the kookaburras saying hello. So there you go, non-Aussie people. That's a little bit of a treat that you had a little chuckle off the kookaburras. They're having a laugh at us, yeah. So okay, Julie's gonna do her thing. As you see, her hand's still very bruised and swollen on her side, but she's an absolute trooper. Not complained once, even though I'm absolutely certain she would be in a fair bit of pain.
I am.
Yeah. Well, you know you don't have to do this. Please have it on camera. I'm not forcing her to do anything.
I want to do this, but I also want to say thank you to everybody that's given me their good wishes over Julie's YouTube channel. It's been amazing. So many lovely messages.
Yeah, we were blown away by them, wasn't we?
Yeah, absolutely.
Now, are you alright doing that, or would you like me to help you spread it?
Maybe you could help me because I'm a bit cag-handed.
Somebody asked if she was ambidextrous because she seemed to do so well with... She's not ambidextrous, but what she is a determined little bugger, and she just gives it a real good go at anything. So, that's Jilly. Independent and determined. Is that what the word is?
Yeah.
Those the right words?
Miss Independent.
Yeah, Miss Independent.
Not a bad thing.
No, that's it. Always better if you just got yourself to rely on, and then you're never let down, are you?
Exactly.
I suppose.
So that paint looks totally different to what we did yesterday, doesn't it? That metallic paint.
Oh yeah. Well, like I said to you, the metallic is translucent.
Yeah.
It's a different. It's just a whole different paint to work with, and this is more than likely that it will self-level more so just flooded the canvas. Really can do the sides, you basically can do the sides afterwards, or you can use some of the white to just use with you. I find it far easier to do with your fingers than I do with a spatula. It puts a bit more paint on it than what a spatula does.
So would you put a little bit more around the actual perimeter and then just dib it?
You can do. You can pour it around the edge, and you've got your hand with the glove. Just use it to dib it the sides, so you've got the sides covered. Or all else. I don't stress over it because you can always paint that edge after.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal.
Yet when I'm doing this in the UK, I actually fret about my edges. It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, well, some people are more pedantic than others, I think, and have to do it perfect, have to do it with a spatula, or have to do this and that. This isn't this what this particular art form is. It's abstract and it's free to.
Yeah.
But that's it. If it's different people, different strokes for different folks.
But now I know that you can actually do the edges afterwards. Then I shan't be stressing so much.
Yeah. So if there's anything, even if you do a pour and it runs over the edges and it is covered, but you don't particularly like how the pour has left the edges, then you just do just get yourself either a brush, or I find the little sponge brush easier to just run along with one of the plain colours out. Okay,
right, so let's lay a bit of colour down.
Yep.
I'm going to do straight lines, I think, from side to side.
Okie doke.
And I want to try and keep some negative space. There's going to be quite a few colours, so I'm not going to do it too thick to start with.
No. You don't really need much colour on the canvas when you're going to, you know, blow it out. I think Jilly's going to blow it with the little air compressor blower, not a hairdryer. Do it Brummie style.
Brummie style.
A Brummie, lots of people say, what are you talking about when you keep saying your Brummie? What's a Brummie? A Brummie is because we both were born and bred. I don't know if you were born in Birmingham.
I was.
Okay. Born and bred in Birmingham, UK, United Kingdom. Then we were always called Brummies, like different Londoners were Cockneys, and Liverpool were called
Scousers.
Liverpool people called Scousers. What's another one there? Well, Geordies.
For up Newcastle.
Up Newcastle, up north of England. So they just all had different names, basically given to them, weren't they?
Don't know why though.
Yeah, it's just one of them things. So she's using leftover colours. So she's actually got a metallic copper, metallic gold, metallic black, and then that is just a plain cool red. And this one would have been the is that burnt umber, or was that?
I think it's raw. It might be burnt umber.
Metallic burnt umber or raw umber, one of them.
Yeah. I'm going to put a bit more pink down this way.
So Jilly's doing this how she chooses to do it and choose her style. So, but yes, this will definitely be the last pour she does in Australia for this hot visit, because yeah, we'll be getting ready, having some lunch and getting showered and ready for her journey.
The last dregs of that.
Yeah, just
Doesn't matter though, does it?
No,
It's all going to be blown.
use it up. Yeah, that's it. Whatever. Yeah, don't use it just for the sake of it.
Oh,
if
no,
you think
no.
it's too much.
I think I'll just put a little bit of dark up here. Ooh.
Don't stress. I'll be fine. It can blow your mistakes away.
Yeah.
Just roll with it.
Wish I could blow this mistake away.
Yes. Yes, we would have had a trip to Sydney, where Julia's never been down to Sydney before, and we'd got all sorts of things planned, but that can be for next time.
Yeah.
So these things happen for a reason, and maybe we just weren't supposed to go down to Sydney with all the fires happening down there. Yeah, I think that's plenty, Jilly.
Yeah.
And that's, yeah. Otherwise you're going to end up with it like just thick pillows and it doesn't dry nice. If you think you need more, you can add more, but I'm pretty sure you won't.
So, not having used this before,
So I need to turn it on first. Would be a good idea. So Jilly's she'll show you what she's gonna do next. Is she's gonna use my little air compressor, but just take it away and get used to the pressure. Let it build up first before you start using it.
do I have to press it to build it up?
No, just leave it like that for a minute, and then just keep away for a minute, just so you get the idea of how much pressure you have to put on it instead of just blowing it all over the place. Hang on, I'll move my I'm going to move my pour away in case she blows it across the room, because I've done that before and coated nearly every part of my paint room, ceiling to floor, with when I had it, the pressure was too high. So just take it slow, bit by bit.
I think I prefer the hairdryer.
Prefer the hairdryer? Okay.
Please.
Okay, we're swapping over tactics. We're going hairdryer.
Bear with.
Bear with her. There you go. Again, you need to try the pressure on the dryer so you don't cover them in the paint at the other side of the table. Mabel, watch yourself.
I didn't put a penny on, did I?
The Brummie blow. Does that sound rude?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll behave.
So
I'm
going to blow.
I'm getting right out of the way of Julie's blow. Oh, lovely job. Lovely job. Lovely jobbly. Beautiful. Well, you're leaving some negative space, aren't you? That looks gorgeous. So gorgeous. You've got that bit of thickness.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to do anything with that. That's totally up to you. It is nice. There's some negative space. Yeah, I'm not sure if
that needs a bit.
Just a bit of a just a nice wisp out there would look good, I think. Blue's nice against the white, isn't it?
Yeah.
You alright? You just tell me if you need me to do anything, Miss Independent. Very nice. What do you think, Jilly?
Yeah, I like it.
Like it? You like it? Like it, like it?
I don't know whether that's a bit thick there.
Yeah. Well, if there's just one area, just concentrate in that, there, so you don't blow what you do like. Lovely. Lovely, lovely.
So that should self-level.
Yeah, it should do. If the paints were the right consistency, I'll just give you a little close up of Jilly's Brummie paw. It's a Brummie paw. She's a Brummie. Very nice. Colours turned out lovely. like nice and wispy. Very good, Jilly. Are you happy with that? Because ultimately, when you do any pour, the only person that you're there satisfying, even when us as YouTubers do a pour, it's us that we've got to satisfy. We're not trying to satisfy anybody out there, because we're trying to give a tutorial for you to learn, but then your own take on it and what you want to go further or not as much is up to you. So individually, as a pourer, in your place, what you're pouring, it's totally up to you to and what you're happy with or not happy with. But that's gorgeous.
Yes, I like that.
Okay, so it's going to be a goodbye from Jilly, returning back to UK. Till next time.
Till next time.
Or until she gets her own YouTube channel, and I'll absolutely definitely keep you in the loop and give you a... She's pulling a face now, but... And I will definitely write on my acrylic art by Jilly Cube any updates for Jilly as she has her further surgeries on her arm. I want to thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel and for watching, and thank you all for the lovely comments. And yeah, let Jilly know what you think of her last pour in Australia. And a good weekend to you all. Lots of love, and bye.
Bye. Thank you again.